Let me tell you about my day, it won't be real long. Woke up to a Red Bull before I...
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So this client is getting braid locks without extensions, micro braid locks. She obviously has really dense hair, so I needed to blow it out just a little bit just to make working through it a bit easier. I normally give my clients instructions to, wash their hair, condition it before they come, and then put it in braids to stretch it out for me. But if for some reason I want to stretch it out a bit more, I might go through with a quick little blow dry just to make things go smoother. Less work for me, less painful for the client. That's my thought processes. So this client, like I said, is getting micro braid locks. Pretty straightforward. I braid almost to the end, not the very end, okay? Not the very end. But we do what we got to do, okay? Her hair was super dense, so these are gonna age pretty well with her hair texture. I think she made a great choice. A lot of times with braids, you get less shrinkage because the structure of it is stretched out and tight, if that makes sense. With twist give your hair room to breathe, room to expand. They're less uniform. So when you're thinking about what method you want to go with when getting micro locks, and you're considering your hair texture and everything, you want to definitely think about, where you work, your lifestyle, to make sure you're making the right decision, because twists are going to poof up and expand and get super frizzy. Braids are going to be a little more controlled, and then the full-on interlocking method will be similar to the braid method, but just a little bit more skinnier because it is a tighter way of locking your hair. With all that being said, if you have any questions for me, please leave them down below. This tutorial is straightforward for the most part, and yeah, let's get into it.
Take a seconds for granted, not this way. Kids just wanna have fun all day, that's all, that's all. Because I say wanna grow up one day, that's all, that's all. No rush, it ain't going nowhere, no way, that's all, that's all. There's some words you gon' wanna take back one day, not long. Just look how much you grown.
into the takedown. Isn't it so beautiful? It's going to be so full and textured as it ages. I'm so excited to see how these age, and I can't wait to continue to share them with you. Once again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. You want to check me out on my website, the link is below.